Social Media Marketing Crash Course, Influencer Marketing. Introduction. Welcome to the Social Media Marketing Crash Course. In this lesson, we will dive into the exciting world of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has become a powerful strategy for businesses to reach their target audience and build brand awareness. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, explore the top 12 influencer marketing methods and techniques, and equip you with the knowledge to leverage the potential of influencers for your brand's success. Stories and examples. 1. Daniel Wellington and Instagram influencers. Daniel Wellington, a watch brand, experienced remarkable success through influencer marketing. By collaborating with Instagram influencers, they showcased their stylish watches in beautifully curated posts. The brand's clean aesthetics and the influencer's large following created a match made in marketing heaven, resulting in a surge in brand popularity and sales. 2. Fashion Nova and micro-influencers. Fashion Nova, a fashion retailer, leveraged micro-influencers to promote their brand. These influencers had smaller but highly engaged followings in specific niches. By partnering with micro-influencers, Fashion Nova tapped into niche markets, effectively reaching their target audience and driving conversions. Top 12 influencer marketing methods, techniques. 1. Define your goals. Clearly identify your objectives for influencer marketing, whether it's brand awareness, product promotion, or driving sales. 2. Research and identify relevant influencers. Thoroughly research influencers who align with your brand's values, target audience, and niche. 3. Micro-influencers. Consider partnering with micro-influencers who have smaller but highly engaged audiences in specific niches. 4. Authenticity and relevance. Choose influencers who genuinely resonate with your brand and have a genuine interest in your products or services. 5. Sponsored content. Collaborate with influencers to create sponsored content that seamlessly integrates your brand message into their content. 6. Giveaways and contests. Run giveaways or contests in collaboration with influencers to generate buzz, increase engagement, and expand your reach. 7. Guest blogging and content collaboration. Invite influencers to contribute guest blog posts or collaborate on content creation to leverage their expertise and reach. 8. Influencer takeovers. Allow influencers to take over your social media accounts for a day or a specific campaign, providing fresh and engaging content. 9. Affiliate marketing. Set up an affiliate program where influencers earn a commission for driving sales through their unique affiliate links. 10. Event partnerships. Partner with influencers to attend or promote events relevant to your brand, amplifying the event's reach and generating buzz. 11. Influencer ambassador programs. Establish long-term relationships with influencers by creating ambassador programs, offering exclusive perks and incentives. 12. Track and measure results. Use tracking links, unique discount codes, and analytics tools to measure the success of your influencer marketing campaigns. Summarization. Influencer marketing has transformed the way brands connect with their target audience. By defining goals, researching relevant influencers, and focusing on authenticity and relevance, you can create impactful influencer campaigns. Utilizing sponsored content, giveaways, and guest blogging, you can leverage influencers' reach and expertise. Influencer takeovers, affiliate marketing, and event partnerships provide unique opportunities to engage with the audience. Establishing ambassador programs and tracking results ensures a successful influencer marketing strategy. Poem. In the realm of marketing's domain, influencers' power begins to reign. Stories we tell, with a touch of fame. Captivating hearts, lighting the flame. Authenticity, a guiding light. Relevance, a bond that feels so right. Micro-influencers, niches they sway. Driving conversions in a personalized way. Sponsored content, a seamless blend. Bringing brands and influencers to transcend. Giveaways and contests, excitement grows. Express. Ending reach, as engagement flows. Guest blogging, collaborations delight. Influencers' expertise shining so bright. Takeovers, a fresh and vibrant hue. Creating moments that feel brand new. Affiliate links, partnerships formed. A commission earned, for sales transformed. Events and ambassadors, connections ignite. Amplifying reach, like stars in the night. Tracking results, the journey unfolds. Metrics and data, stories they hold. Influencer marketing, a strategy profound. Where brands and influencers forever abound. Song. Verse 1. In the world of social media, a new power arises. Influencer marketing, a strategy that mesmerizes. Researching relevant influencers, finding the perfect fit. Micro-influencers, niches they uniquely transmit. Chorus. Sponsored content, a seamless blend. Engaging the audience, messages transcend. Giveaways, contests, excitement takes flight. Building brand awareness, reaching new heights. Verse 2. Guest blogging, collaborations embrace. Influencers' expertise, adding a touch of grace. Takeovers, fresh perspectives we see. Influencers at the helm, bringing creativity. Chorus. Sponsored content, a seamless blend. Engaging the audience, messages transcend. Giveaways, contests, excitement takes flight. Building brand awareness, reaching new heights. Bridge. Affiliate links, partnerships shine. Earning commissions, success intertwine. Events and ambassadors, connections ignite. Expanding the reach, like stars in the night. Chorus. Sponsored content, a seamless blend. Engaging the audience, messages transcend. Giveaways, contests, excitement takes flight. Building brand awareness, reaching new heights. Outro. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.